Hi guys! Good evening! Welcome back to our channel. Time check guys is 10:35 na ng gabi. Tapos I put Paris to bed guys, kaya natutulog na siya ngayon. Tapos si Daddy guys naghuhugas ng plato. Naglilinis kami ng bahay guys kasi nga bukas may may bisita kami bukas, kaya naglilinis kami ng bahay. But right now guys, I would like to show you some stuff that we got from Ikea guys. So kagabi we went to Ikea para bumili ng ng laruan ba para kay Paris for her birthday. Ngayon nung nagpunta kami dun guys, nakabitbit ako ng mga chichiburichi na ibang mga gamit guys. So guys, kung gusto niyo makita kung anong nabili natin from Ikea guys, please keep on watching. So, I kept the receipt guys para maano ko sa inyo, masabi ko sa inyo yung presyo talaga niya. So, sa lahat ng nabili ko guys, I paid $99.95. So, sa $100 ko guys, 5 cents lang yung napalik sa akin guys. So, first thing na ipapakita ko sa inyo guys is this. So, ito yung panglugod guys ba? Actually, kinuha ko to guys nung palabas na kami ng ng shop. Kasi nasa isang sila guys pa, yung bang parang sale na part sila guys. So this one guys, I've got 3 lugod. I don't know how you call them guys. Yung guys pa, yung guys, yung basta pang lugod guys, pag nag-shower, they were on sale for $3 guys. So $3 yan siya guys. Tapos yung second item na nabili ko guys is this. So this one is so cute. I don't know guys, I know it's plastic, but for me, may dating talaga siya guys. Like when I look at it, it's very refreshing even if it's not real. So I bought this one, and this one guys is for $5.99. So basically $6 for this one guys. And guys, seriously, sa loob may guys, isang ganyan kalaki na puno nito guys. So can you imagine ilang ganito sa loob ng isang kahon guys? Tapos $6 each. Grabe, $6 each para. Anyways, I really like it guys. That's why binili ko. Daddy was a bit like, why are you buying it? It's like $6, but oh well, you know, I really like it, so I got that one. And then guys, to go with that guys, bumili ako ng vase. Tingnan nyo guys. Oh, I really like this one too. It's like blue turn. Guys, tingnan nyo, so cute. Ilagay ko tong guys, ito dito guys. Oh, ito yung ganyan. So ganyan lang siya guys. Oh, ilalagay ko sa gilid ng guys, ng bed namin, yung my bedside table guys. Oh, very nice, diba? So cute. So ito guys, nabili ko to ng $9.99 guys. So basically $10, which is not bad. And then ito guys also, these two together, it's $17. I know, $16 guys. Oh, but very nice na, diba? Oh, hindi pa siya mamamatay guys. So forever na to siya guys. Okay, so let's put that aside, and then this is the next one guys. It's just the alarm clock. It's tiny. Tingnan nyo guys. Oh, nakikita nyo naman kung gaano kalaki guys. And it's in color black. Meron silang white guys, but I chose the black kasi white yung bedside table namin guys. So para mag-contrast naman yung color, so black yung binili ko. So guys, we don't really need alarm clock. But lang guys, pang char-char lang. Pang lang siya guys ba? Pang tawag nito guys, pang decoration lang ba guys? O, tingnan nyo guys. O, tapos yung sa gilid nito, yung binili ko sa sa Kmart na lamp. It looks really good guys. Gusto ko talaga guys. But anyways, we can still use it if you want to. Battery lang siya guys. O. Yung battery hindi kasama guys, so you have to purchase it separately. Ayan guys, oh. Double A yata yung battery ito guys. Tapos, gonna tell you the price. Alarm clock. It's $9.99 din siya, guys. Tapos, yung kasunod na binili ko, guys, is this. Yung halaman, guys. Hindi kasama yung vase, guys. Ito siya, guys. Sa Ikea din to siya, but I had this for a long time now. But I thought it's gonna look cute with this. But, tignan nyo to, guys. Oh, diba? I really love plant, guys. Diyan sa taas, guys, may plant. Yung bahay namin, guys, puno na ng plant talaga, guys. But I really like it. It's very, yun nga sabi ko, guys, refreshing sa mata, guys, ba? No? Yung may green sa loob ng bahay. That's why I really like it. Tapos, dito ko siya nilalagay, guys. Oh, kasi kasyang-kasya siya. Ayan, oh, diba? Tapos, nilalagay ko to siya sa, ano, guys, dun sa lounge room. Diyan ko siya ilalagay. I got that one for $6.99, guys. Tapos, the other stuff that I bought, guys, is this. Tingnan nyo, guys. So, shelving lang siya, guys. Ito yung pangalan niya, guys. Oh, Billy. Eh, ayan pala. Billy. So, shelving lang siya, guys. Dalawa yung binili ko. Ayan siya, guys. Ayan. So, hopefully, tama yung binili ko, guys. So, yung nakikita nyong, ano, guys, shelf sa likod, yan. Ito, para yun dyan, guys. Kasi, I have more shoes na wala nang kalagyan, guys. So, see the space here, guys? So, I'm trying to put that here para ma-maximize yung space natin, guys. So, we can put more shoes. Kasi ngayon, may space pa siya, guys, ba? So, kaya binili ko to, guys. So, dalawa yung binili ko. Hopefully, ito yung size talaga. Ay, tama siya, guys. Tama yung binili ko. So, ipakita ko sa inyo mamaya, guys, pag-install ko. Kasi very easy naman siya i-install, guys. Kaya yan. Tapos, yung presyo niyan, guys, is $12 each. So, obviously, $24 for the two of them, guys. So, $24 para dito, guys. Oh. And then, the last thing, the only reason, the main reason why pumunta kami ng Ikea, guys, is this. Naka-flat pack kasi siya, guys. Ipakita, i-insert ko na lang yung picture, guys. Ito talaga yung plano ko kasing bilhin para kay Paris for her birthday din, guys. Kasi, yung may isang mesa, maliit, tapos may dalawang, chairs pa, guys. So, I can put it in the lunchroom. Tapos, doon lang siya guys. Lalagyan ko lang ng mga pencil niya, guys. Yung mga crayons, yung mga ganun. Tapos, yung para may may space ba siya, guys, na para talaga sa kanya. So, actually, guys, gagawin ko to tonight. Kasi sinabihan ko siya before siya matulog. Sabi ko, I have, Mama's got a surprise for you tomorrow. So when you wake up in the morning, you got something to play with. So, ito, guys, kaya i-assemble natin yan, guys. Samahan nyo ako i-assemble yan. Kasi mabilis lang naman yan, guys. Yung mga item na binibili sa Ikea, it's very easy to assemble. So, let's do that one. And that one, guys, I bought that for $39.99. So, basta, guys, sa lahat ng pinakita ko sa inyo, guys, I paid $99.95, which is not bad. Like, I think it's really worth it, guys. I really love Ikea, and I can't, every time I go there, guys, hindi talaga ako kakaalis na walang nabibili. Kasi, very, I don't know, yung mga paninda ba nila, guys, it's very nice. Tapos, hindi masyadong mahal. So, guys, yung gagawin natin ngayon, guys, i-try kong i-install to, guys, oh. So, pakita ko sa inyo, guys, kung paano ito gawin. Pasensyahan nyo na, guys, kasi yung box ko andito pa, guys, so hindi pa natapos, guys. Just, na lang, guys, ha? Disregard na lang the box. Lagay ko kayo dito. So, guys, ito yung sinasabi ko, guys. Kasi, diba, nakikita nyo, may space pa dyan, guys. O, kaya pwede ko pa siyang malagyan ng another shelf. Para may mga sapatos pa tayo malagay, guys. Kasi, yung ibang mga sapatos ko, guys, nandun sa ibang, sa ibang kwarto, gusto kong maano sila, makita ko sila lahat ba para masuot ko sila. Kasi pag hindi ko nakikita, guys, I tend to not wear them. Kaya sayang naman. Kaya yun, lagay natin to, guys. Guys, natapos na natin siya, guys. Itong side na to, guys. So, tingnan nyo, guys. So, before, isa, dalawa, tatlo. Dalawang, ano lang yun dito, guys. Tatlo, I mean. Ngayon, apat na siya, guys. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. O, diba? O, diba may, mas, ano pa siya, guys. Spacious at tingnan, diba, guys? Tapos now, guys, gagawin natin tong dito, guys. Kasi mag-a-add din ako ng isa dyan para sa ibang mga sapatos ko, guys. So, yeah, let's do it. So, guys, natapos ko na rin siya, guys. Ayan. So, nilagyan ko ng extra shelving dyan, guys. Ayan. Nice. Tapos ngayon, guys, yung gagawin ko, i-assemble natin to, guys. Madali lang sana to, guys. I think madali lang, guys. So, samahan niyo ako, guys. Guys, sobrang daming ano guys. Kailangan talagang lumiyok ang ating utok nito guys. There's lots of pieces. Tignan nyo guys, So guys, natapos ko na yung mesa guys. Tignan nyo, Diba? Diba? Bongga. Madali lang yan siya guys. Basta may ano lang, basta may instructions lang. Ayan. Tapos, yung gagawin natin guys, yung mga upuan guys. Actually, i-ano ko lang muna, i-tighten ko yung mga screws. Si Daddy kasi guys, hindi siya mahilig sa ganito guys. Yung mga symbol ba? Wala yan sa kanyang vocabulary. So now we have to start with the chairs, guys. Okay. Alright, let's do it. Guys, finally, natapos ko rin siya, guys. Time check is 12:20. 12:20 ng morning. So, ayan, guys. Super cute, right? Magugustuhan to ni Paris bukas, guys. Pagising niya, she'll be really happy. So guys, that's it for today's video. Finally, natapos ko rin siya guys. Namumula na yung mata ko guys. Si Daddy, nakailang balik na guys. Sabi niya, kailan ka matutulog? Anong oras ka matutulog? Anong oras na? Yeah, so that's about it guys. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, tonight's video, whatever. I also hope that you give us a thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And yeah, I hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye!